Guys, wala pang tao kasi nga maaga ako ngayon. Mga 6:35. So 9 pa yung start ng graduation ceremony. And yeah, mag-breakfast muna ako. So guys, masyado akong maaga today. Look at the skies. There is sunshine. Chararara. This is my dress, guys. This is my dress. And yun lang. Yung dress ko ngayon. Kasi nga, you're very cutesy and very creative. Guys, so ban ako at like around 8:50 magkikita na kami mga classmates ko and friends. Maya na siguro doon na talaga sa venue. Ay, sorry guys, may picture. Be like, oh, sikang magpapira na tekstura. Ay, sorry. Sorry. I look like a sister. I look like your sister actually. Alright, see you guys later! Alright guys, naghihintay na ako sa mga classmates ko kasi sabay kami punta. Actually sa batch namin, 4 lang kami. It's very hot guys, oh my god. This is super hot. But it's ang daming students who graduate today. See? I don't know. I think it's by department. Actually guys, ito na, sabihin kasi ako ng mangyayari ngayon. Lahat ng mga graduates nandito. But later, uupulan talaga kami. And then, makikinig sa events, that's all. That's why pwede kami umalis dito ng mas maaga. Diba? Okay lang. Kasi may dalawa kaming ceremony. Ay, sorry. So, ang ceremony, the first one, ito yung pinaka para sa lahat ng mga students. And yung pangalawa, para lang yung mga department namin. So, yeah. Pwede kami umalis ng mas maaga. Where are they going? Makeup. And guys, that's super dami na students yung graduate. Graduate. Ayan guys, oh. Pero nakasal na ba ako?